son.
Yes, Dad.
You have always been a good boy. Where you are going to, there is no brother, no sister, no mother, and no father. Please, you have to be very careful. Don't involve yourself in anything criminal, because there will be no one to come and pay you. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, Dad.
You are the son of a lion, and so you must behave as one. Be very careful. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, Dad. Thanks, Dad.
That's good. Let's go.
All right, Dad. Thank
you. I really miss you.
You miss me. I thought you said I should go.
No.
Come on, boy. Let us go. Come on.
Come on, Dad.
Come on.
Hey, as you're coming back, make sure you come with your wife.
Thank you.
Oh my God, you look so fresh.
Thank you. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry about what.
Come on, it's nothing.
So much lose weight. I'm so sorry. So sorry.
Okay, it's okay. I'm fine. I'm okay.
I'm so sorry. I need to bow the demand. Sorry.
No problem. It's
okay. Accept my sympathy, please. Forgive my manners. This is my friend from the UK. I'm Sharon by name.
Okay, you
she said a lot of things about you.
I'm Vanessa. Okay, do you know what? Let's just go inside so that I can prepare you or something.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, she's just sister.
Don't you ever feel lonely?
Fan, excuse me. Are you out of your senses? Are you out of your senses?
Come on, Dad.
God. Do you know you're my daughter? No, excuse me. Van! Van, please. Okay.
Hey, Dad. What's the problem? You look worried. Are you okay?
Vanessa, can we discuss what happened last night?
Dad, it's nothing. I promise you it won't happen again. Please.
Let me tell you, Vanessa, what we did last night was a total gross misconduct. It was a wrong one. In fact, an abomination.
But we enjoyed it. Everything mustn't be right all the time, Dad. Come on.
Listen, don't say this to me next time. No. Don't say it to me next time.
Dad, why are you behaving like a child? For crying out loud, it's a free world. Besides, Mom is dead and gone. I know I can't replace her, but let me just keep you company. I promise you, it's going to be a secret between you and I. Nobody will know about it, okay?
Don't say this to me again. Don't ever try it anymore.
I love you,
You
Dad.
are my daughter, please. You are my daughter.
Forget about that. I love you. I love you, Dad. See you downstairs. Okay?
Joy, my wife. Please. Forgive me. Hello?
Hi Dad, it's me, Joe.
Oh, Joe. That's nice, my son. That's nice.
Dad, I would have called you earlier than now. I was just occupied.
That's all right.
So how are you and Vanessa doing?
Oh, we are all fine. We are all doing fine. And you, how are you doing?
I'm fine, sir. Thank you.
And studies?
Yeah, I'm fine, sir.
That's all right.
Dad, I gotta go now, please. My regards to Van. Tell her I love her very much.
Oh, I will. Thank you very much, my son. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Be a good boy, okay?
Okay, Dad.
Oh,
Goodbye.
I missed you too long.
Okay,
I
Dad.
missed you. Thank you very much.
Bye.
Bye. Oh, what a nice day for me hearing from my son after a long time. That's a good one.
It's okay, Cass. But you know what? I need to talk to my dad about it. Don't worry, when he comes back, I'll discuss it with him. And I'll call you back immediately, okay? Don't just worry yourself.
Van, what is it? Why you want to talk with your dad? I hope it is not all about money.
No, Dad. It's not money. It's Cassidy, my friend. I hope I told you about her.
Cassidy, yes.
Okay,
What about her?
she's having a accommodation problem, and she said if you could allow her come in here with us for a while. Please, Dad.
I hope she's a good girl.
Very, very.
Disciplined?
100%. Can I show you?
It's all right. You can let her in. After all, we are just all alone in the compound. I want somebody to always keep you company sometimes.
Thank you, Dad.
Just tell her to come.
That's why I love you, Dad. Thank you.
So let her in, okay?
It's okay, Dad. Thank you.
So, all
Dad,
right.
I love you. My dad, Dad. My sweet Dad. Oh my God!
Oh, Vanessa, thank you so much. Thank you. I so much appreciate it.
Don't mention anything for a friend,
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, enough of this. Let's just go inside, okay?
Thanks. Oh. Yeah, but that was really fun. Seriously.
Hey, don't tell me you're crushing on that guy.
No. I am not. I'm just telling you how I feel. And like, I don't feel it's too bad. No.
Well, you know what that guy did actually was bad.
That is how you feel. I don't feel like it's bad.
Oh,
Hey, Chelsea! Oh my God! I miss you.
It's been a quite long time.
Yeah.
Oh my God! It's been a quite long time.
Yeah.
Oh, when do you come into the States?
Oh, it's not been that.
And you couldn't let me know.
No, I've been asking after you. Right?
yeah.
Is that true?
You're welcome. Thank you. Hey, before I forget, there's this question I just saw online. What do you think of a friend that sleeps with her dad? What will you think of such thing?
What? Vanessa? Jeez, that's disgusting. Oh my God.
Are you serious?
Vanessa, if my friend have a sexual intercourse with the father, I'll forever hate her. Oh my God.
How would a young lady think of doing some such with the father?
Don't tell me you have
Please, don't even think of that. Do you get?
Hey,
Don't
hey,
even
guys,
think about
calm down, please. It's just a question I saw online. Don't eat me up, please.
Don't tell me you're support of that.
I don't think so. Alright.
So girl, how are we there?
I'm cool.
So what are you up to?
What do you think, of course?
This
You
girl.
know me better, don't you?
I love about to do she.
Babe, you called me.
Yeah, how are you?
Okay.
I'm surprised you didn't pick all my calls that I've been calling. Thank you for the call back.
Babe, you know quite alright that I'm sleeping on the same bed with your sister. You want me to get caught?
Listen to me. I'm coming back to Nigeria next week.
What? What's the hurry?
Come on, a simple job that I gave you, you can't even do.
So you're coming back to do the work yourself?
Yes, I'm coming back to do the work myself.
Okay, fine. You want to come do the work yourself? Fine, come back. Come do the work yourself.
I'll just, before I come back, just make sure that you put the photocopy of my father's document. That's what I need when I come back.
Babe, you're not serious. That's impossible. You know I don't have access to your dad's room.
I'm coming back next week.
Fine. I'll try. Okay. Gosh. What the fuck is wrong with him? This wasn't the initial plan and he just want to come back again. Okay, fine. I hope he gets whatever he wants. Because I'm done. I'm so done with this fucking crime, fucking job. I'm so done with it. It is done.
What? Excuse me. What do you mean? No. Like you? For what? No, excuse me, don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Wait, no. Where do you go? What do you mean? Excuse me. Where are you from? Come on, you don't touch me, girl. Don't touch me. Are you out of your senses? Are you mad? Are you insane? Say! Don't try that again. You devil incarnate. Van! Come and take this rubbish out of your house. Van!
Babe, I told you this isn't gonna work. I told you. He just pushed me away. Like, he just treated me like... See, babe, this is not possible anymore. What if this man set me out of the house? How do you think you accomplish this mission? No. I'm not doing this anymore. Fine. But just this once, then I'm done.
Yes, Dad.
Now that you have rounded off your university education, I think by now you should be looking for work. So what are your plans?
I'm not ready to work for now. When I'm ready, I think I'll get something doing. Yes, Dad.
Are you serious? What do we have here?
You're welcome.
The Joe!
Yes, Dad.
Good seeing you, son. I'm just seeing you again, boy.
Oh, Dad, you're looking good.
You are looking good too. So what is the secret, boy?
Oh, come on, you know. Sometimes you don't need to.
Big boy. One nakanaya. Beautiful one, I like that. You're welcome.
Okay.
How you doing?
I'm okay.
Interesting.
Oh, sorry. My friend Has said the day is my brother too.
Yeah, so,
No, don't worry. You do that later, okay?
Yes, of course you do that later.
Let's just
You
go
go and
inside.
have your rest.
Okay?
Go and have your rest.
okay, Dad. I'll catch up to you.
What a wonderful thing. Seeing my son again. Devil incarnate, listen to me. I don't want you to seduce my son the way you did to me. Don't try it. If you do, I will sever your head. In fact, I will kill you and bury you here and your parents would. Do I make myself clear? Don't try it.
So baby, how are you?
Okay.
How have you been?
Fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Did you miss me? Yeah, you did miss me.
I did.
You did because you
I
did.
missed you.
Really?
Yes. I missed you.
Alright, so this is how it goes today. Someone is going down today.
Oh, it's going down.
So dad is going to die today.
Can you stop joking with that?
Have I joked before? Or do you know me as a joker? I say that you are poison darts.
What, me? No. That's not possible.
What do you mean it's not possible? Why
How am I gonna do that?
Why are you sounding like a child? Dad is going to die by poison. You are going to give Dad a juice, pretending that you want to apologize for what went down between you two.
So now I'll be held responsible for killing your dad.
Held responsible for what? Oh, just okay. Who loves you? Who do you love?
I love you.
So, I always have your back, right?
Yeah.
I'm not leaving you now.
Okay, fine. Fine.
So, departure of Dad. That's my baby.
Thank you. Hey, come on, give me a kiss.
Hmm?
Yeah.
No.
Come on, give me a kiss.
Okay, Will. Give me.
Yeah, I did.
Alright, and we are celebrating on that departure.
Yeah. Babe, it's okay.
You're kidding me, really?
That's much. No, I don't want to lose you. Stop. Okay.
So you know what to do.
Yeah, sure.
Sharp. Hmm?
Let me drink.
Huh?
Okay. My phone.
I want to remind you of what we did, which is an abomination, though. But let us see. Who is that?
It's me, Cassidy. Come on, open the door. It's me.
Can you come in? Okay.
Hey. What's up with you? Okay, fine. I'm sorry about what happened. I'm sorry. Yeah. I'm on news now and I'm pleading. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. Sorry.
Are you sure you're okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Like, I just want to apologize to you. I just want to say
No. Thank you. No, thank you. You can go. That's okay. I'm okay. No, I'm okay. Sure.
You can
okay.
go?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm okay. I'm alright.
I got you a drink.
I'm okay. No. Just take it.
What? Just...
Mm-hmm.
You take it later. Okay, just take a sip. Just take a sip. Later. You okay?
I'm alright.
Okay. Why should I take it? I'll be going.
I go. Okay, go. Thank you, man. You can go. No. You can go. You can go. No, I'm okay. I'm okay. You can go.
Dad, what did she do? I hear her telling you she's sorry. Okay, since you don't want to talk, do you know what? I can get you something else to drink, but for this, can't give you. I'm coming.
How long does that poison stay before it kills?
Poison is going to stay like 1 hour, 1 hour 30 minutes. Probably
1 hour.
1 hour 30 minutes. But you know that is an old man, so he can just stay 45 minutes.
Seriously? Not even up to an hour.
I'm just saying.
Oh.
So soon, I will be here. Call that name again.
The king.
Call that name again.
My king. Then I'm your queen. Hey, I need you guys in here.
Oh no. Hello, Vanessa.
Take my drink. Vanessa, what are we celebrating?
Yeah.
Don't worry about it.
No. I'm okay. You're looking good, you know.
Thank you. Ouch. I just remembered something. Let me get some camera here. See you guys there.
Okay. Hey, you babe. I want to come here and give your daddy a kiss.
Alright.
Come on.
Shall we have a kiss?
Mm-hmm.
You want a kiss?
Yeah.
Kiss now your cute lips, huh?
Yeah, I know you. I missed you too, but you didn't accomplish what I asked you to accomplish till I came back.
What?
Come on, buddy, it's true.
What's that?
Alright, okay, it's okay. Why do you think of you that I said?
Let me say that.
What is it?
I guess I'm impressed.
I almost thought that you're pregnant. Baby, what is it now? Dad! Dad! What is it, baby? What? Dad! Dad!
Where is your friend?
Cassidy is
And
dying.
Joe, where is Joe?
Cass is dying.
Eh?
She's dying of the same poison she poisoned you.
What?
She poisoned your drink. When I changed it and I gave it to her, I didn't know. Cass is dying. And I've killed my friend. My friend is dying.
It's alright, it is not.
No, she does not deserve to die.
No.
No, Dad.
Is it your fault? It's not your fault. Come on.
That is my fault. I killed her.
Oh, it's alright. It's not your fault, my dear. It's alright. It's okay.
Dad, I have something to tell you.
Go on, my dear.
I'm pregnant. I'm carrying your baby. I'm so sorry, Dad. I'm sorry. If you want me to abort it, I will.
No, don't. That baby is my baby. No, it's alright. You will take care of the baby. It's alright. Don't worry.
Really? No, really? Father and daughter. So I've seen what all this drama is all about. So Dad, you're having an affair with your own daughter, Dad. I thought as much. So Dad, you're having an affair with your own daughter. Huh? You're not even ashamed of yourself. And that's why you killed my...
Are you okay?
Are you okay?
Alright, the drama is ended.
Dad.
I'll get back to you guys.
Dad, are you okay? Oh my God. Joe! Joe, I need help. Dad. Joe!
Don't call my name!
Joe! Dad is dying! Joe! Somebody help me! Dad! Dad! Oh my God! Joe! Dad! Oh my God! Oh my God! Joe! Somebody help me! Oh my God!
How are you feeling now? Are you getting better now? Oh, you'll be okay soon, okay? George, I hope you're okay. Dad, what's wrong? Are you okay? Dad? Dad, are you okay? Dad, what is it now? What's happening? Joe! Oh my God. Dad! Joe, he's dead. Dad, oh my God. Dad, please don't do this to me. Joe, what's wrong with you? Have you gone mad? Dad!
See, I know that. See, you're making noise in this house. Don't tell me that I know that. God, please. You just killed your beloved.
I didn't kill him. Dad, please don't do this to me, please. Dad. I'm carrying your baby, please don't do this to me. Yeah. Please don't leave me.
See, you're making noise, you don't provoke me here.
Dad, please. Joe! Joe, Dad is dead. Joe is dead. No, you can't do this to me. No! What did you put in this drink, Joe? Dad, no.
No. No. No. Joe! Joe, help me! Joe! Ow! Dad, don't do this! Oh my God! Ow!
I hope I didn't disturb you. Okay. I came in here to tell you that I'm very sorry for what happened. Just find a place in your heart to forgive me. I'm so sorry. Please.
Forgive you, you say? Will she forgive you? How could you? How could you? I loved you. I loved you so much. I loved Dad so much. I was willing to sacrifice everything I have for you to. How could you two do this to me?
Joe, you won't understand.
How could you sleep with Dad? How could you do this to Mom? How could you do this to me? I won't understand. What won't I understand?
When Mom was alive, Dad hardly had time for me and I felt bad. Can you just forgive me, please? I'm deeply sorry, please.
Well, if she's here, she would have forgiven you. Because I know her so well. She has a kind heart. Well, you are my sister and the only one I ever have around here. I'm alone. You are my only blood. So, I have nothing against you. Forgiving you.
Thank you.
Yes. But how can I get the trust back again? It's okay then. It's gonna go down this way when it comes to the wheel. I'm taking 60 and I'm giving you 40. Anyway, if you don't like it, I can take 40.
No. I'm okay with that.
Well, what about the baby?
I'm going to keep it. I'll keep the baby.
You will keep the baby?
Yeah.
Interesting. Alright. I'll be the best brother. The best father. I'll be the best husband to you. I'll make sure that your baby gets brotherly love. And also fatherly love.
Thank you so much. You're the best brother in the world.
Yeah, I am.
Thank you.
You're welcome. It's okay. Rest in peace, father.